Hello students, today we are going to complete English class 3 semester 2 chapter 3 The dog at my homework exercises questions answers. Let's start. Answer each question briefly. Question number 1. Why was Tony happy when he woke up? Answer. Tony was happy because it was Sunday and there was no school. Question number 2. How was the weather that morning? Answer. The weather was pleasant that morning. Question number 3. When did Tony have his breakfast? Answer. After taking bath, Tony had his breakfast. Question number 4. What did Tony want to do in the park? Answer. He wanted to play with his friends. Question number 5. Where did Tony want to eat his favorite burger? Answer. He wanted to eat his favorite burger at McDonald's. Question number 6. Why was Tony on restriction? Answer. Tony was on restriction because he had been telling lies at school. Question number 7. What lie did Tony tell on Tuesday? Answer. He told that his pet dog ate up his homework. Question number 8. What lie did he tell on Thursday? Answer. On Thursday, he told that homework went down the kitchen drain. Question number 9. What was his lie on Friday? Answer. On Friday, he told, I was very sick last night and doctor said to take rest. Question number 10. Why did the teacher call Tony's mother on phone? Answer. To tell his complaint about not doing his homework. Question number 11. Why had Tony to hang his head in shame? Answer. He had to hang his head in shame because no answer, no explanation was with him. Question number 12. What made Tony's dad very angry? Answer. For his mischievous in the class, the dad was angry. Put these sentences in right order. First, Tony's teacher rang up Tony's mother. Second, Tony's mother came to Tony's school. Third, the teacher told the mother about Tony's lies. Fourth, Tony had to hang his head in shame. 5. The mother came back home. 6. She told Tony's dad all the story. 7. Tony's dad was very angry. 8. Dad put Tony on restriction. 9. Tony couldn't go out to play with his friends. Choose from the box the correct word for each meaning. First, a problem, trouble. Second, the reason for doing something, explanation. Third, the schoolwork you do at home, homework. 4. That is liked more than the others, favorite. 5. A pipe that carries away dirty water, drain. 6. Feeling of sadness for doing something wrong, shame. 7. A flat board fixed on the wall for keeping things, shelf. 8. Something that keeps you from doing something. Restriction. Write the short form of the words below. First, it is, it's. Second, I am, I'm. Third, I will, I'll. Fourth, she is, she is. Fifth, that is, that's. Sixth, will not, won't. Seventh, you are, your. Eighth, they are, their. Ninth, does not, doesn't. 10. Could not, couldn't. Choose the correct word to fill in each blank. I had written, you may tick and write. First, they're going to their uncle's house. Second, you're the master of your own house. Third, he is watering the plants in his garden. Fourth, my dog knows it's now time for its bath. A compound word is made up of two smaller words as home plus work equals homework. Give some other examples of compound words. Black plus board equals blackboard. Down plus stairs, downstairs. Water plus melon, watermelon. Write the past form of these verbs. Eat, ate. Tell, told. Wake, woke. Shine, shone. Go, went. Have, had. Think, thought. Know, knew. Fill in the blanks with the past form of verbs from the box. First, we enjoyed the party last night. Second, last night they reached home very late. Third, I brushed my teeth 2 times yesterday. Fourth, it was very hot, so we opened the window. Fifth, my dad studied in this school when he was a child. Complete each sentence with the negative form of the underlined verb. First, she had a pen, but she didn't have any paper. Second, I saw Tony there, but I didn't see Jane anywhere. Third, they worked on Monday, but they didn't work on Tuesday. Fourth, the boys ate burgers, but the girls didn't eat any burgers. Remember that we always use first form of verb with did. If we remove did, then we use past form of verbs. Listen please. The following pictures show how to decorate a tin, but they are not in right order. The teacher will speak out the various steps in right order. Listen carefully and give the right serial number to each picture. I have given serial number. Match with it. Text for the teacher on page 73. First, get some greeting cards with flower designs, a pair of scissors, some gum, colorless varnish, and a brush. Second, cut out the flower shapes carefully. Third, paste the flowers on the outside of the tin. Fourth, press the flowers down with the palm of your hand. Fifth, allow the tin to dry in the sun for a while. Sixth, put a coat of varnish on it. Thank you.